In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove decimals from Shopify prices and get rid of those pesky trailing zeros. This is a useful trick if you prefer cleaner, simpler price displays on your online store and want to have a sleeker aesthetic that can make pricing appear more straightforward and appealing to your customers. So, let's dive right in and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find the Settings button located there, waiting for you to click on it. This will bring you into the section where you can adjust all sorts of configurations for your store. After you've clicked Settings, the next thing you'll want to do is find the icon that looks like 3 dots. This icon is specifically for managing currency display options and will help you move forward in removing those unnecessary decimals from your product prices. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, a menu will appear and you'll need to select currency formatting. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll be able to customize how prices appear on your storefront, influencing all pricing displays site-wide. Now, you're in the right place to make some changes. Look for the section where it says Amount. This is where you need to replace the existing formatting with a new command that removes the decimals. Here's exactly what you need to do. Change every instance of the word amount to amount no decimals. And don't forget, you need to enclose it in double curly brackets, like this. / amount no decimals. This code signifies that you want your prices displayed without any decimal points. Once you've made this little adjustment, head over to the Save button and click it. It's an important last step because it ensures all your changes are applied across your Shopify store. After saving, refresh your online store page to see your prices displayed just the way you want. Sleek, clean, and with no trailing zeros or fractions of a dollar. And just like that, you're done. You now know how to remove decimals from your Shopify prices, cleaning up your store's look with just a few clicks. This small tweak can have a big impact on how your customers view your products and make purchasing decisions. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your online store's presentation, which can go a long way in boosting sales. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to check out some of my other Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!